Manufacturing is expected to be one of the biggest opportunities for 5G customers. With me now, I have Matt Threefoot. Matt, welcome, and tell me, how is the manufacturing predictive maintenance using 5G Catalyst going to tackle that key industry challenge?
I think one of the major problems in manufacturing is you have a lot of legacy equipment that's been there for many years. And I think what our Catalyst is looking at is how can you use things like camera and computer vision to help aid the predictive maintenance and manufacturing process. So what you can see here is we have an infrared camera hooked up to a selective laser melting machine that's been in the industry for many years, and through the computer vision analytics by Inquiring Minds connected to a high bandwidth, low latency network, they can in real time adjust the laser melting process to save the manufacturing company millions of dollars at a plant in and of itself.
So what are the key benefits then from tapping into this opportunity for a company?
I think one of the big benefits is they can have many cameras to cover their entire plant. So for this project, a selective maintenance, a laser melting build could take 13 to 15 hours. And if the build goes wrong, not only do you have the waste of the parts involved, but you also have the full day of the technician's time, as well as using the machine for that whole part. So through the real-time computer vision analytics aided by 5G, we can adjust the laser setting and have the build be right every time the first time.
And what's the next step?
The next step is really to work through the process. As us at Verizon, we are a US-based operator, so this is actually being done in the UK. So we're working with one of our telecom partners to get rights to the spectrum and say how would this model work in a global environment, so one manufacturer can get the same build no matter where their plants are located. So.
Matt, thank you for your time.
Thank you.